So what's up, guys? This is a new video. I know I haven't been making videos in a long time. Subscribe, because it's been a long weekend for me. I couldn't do anything, and it was a weekend off. When last did I make videos? I don't know, but I'll make videos for you. So like and subscribe. I'll even start making the Minecraft videos with Marshall. But yeah, I'll even start making Bedwars videos for you. Like and subscribe. I'll make Minecraft videos on my new channel. You heard that? Like and subscribe. 500 subscribers. Then I'll actually start making it. Or just you wanna wait next year. Which one? Pick. So like and subscribe. See you on the next video that I'm making right now. Right now. And it's gonna be a Rivals video. I have been playing Rivals for the past 1 day. Yeah, I played in the night with Marshall. We've been on a call playing games. Yeah, that's how me and Marshall connect. Yeah, like and subscribe. Really. So you can actually see the Minecraft videos that I'm about to make. But when it hits June, then I can make it for you. But like and subscribe. Cause you must want the Minecraft videos, just like and subscribe. That's it, 40 subscribers. Okay, and I'm gonna be making videos daily. Yeah, so like and subscribe.